Embukeli weMakhiwa TV, njengamanje sizokuqoqela zona indaba bukhoma lapha edolobheni lase-Vryheid enhloko dolobha yasenhlane likaMthaniya. Njengoba ubona namhlanje silindele amamashi amabili azofika la kulabaqulusi. Le oyibonayo iMK nayo izothula izikhalo zayo, izikhalo okuwukuthi ke zithinta i-service delivery. Khona manjalo amalungu iNkatha Freedom Party sikhuluma nje abuthene lapha eCC Elmet Hall, nakhona lapho khona sizwile ngamahebezi ukuthi labantu nabo iNkatha Freedom Party izobe ikhona ukuzodefenda okanye ukuzovikela umkhandlu wayo ekuthenini kungehle kwenzeke kube khona umonakalo wenzakalayo. Kodwa ke ngokombiko esiwutholile iMK ithe izofika la ngemashi epeaceful enokuthula, njengoba sibabona sebezofika lapha ke emasangweni awo umkhandlu kamasipala wabaqulusi. Okuwukuthi ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sokwazisa ukuthi kwenzakalani sikwethulele ke nohlu lwezikhalo abaze ngalo. Kodwa okwamanje sikwaziyo ukuthi nayo iNkatha Freedom Party isisibikele ukuthi mayifika la nayo ebaqulusini izofike ethule olwayo nalo uhlu lwezikhalo kuwo lomkhandlu.
A certain organization, or we are just a citizen who is concerned about what is going on in Abaqulusi municipality?
Actually, I'm MK, but for today, we came as a small company. Oh my goodness, and Stillwater, we tired of this electricity bill.
Okay, maybe if you can put us in how much do you pay for electricity per month?
From 14 to 39,000.
Again?
14,000 to 39,000.
14,000 to 39,000 per month. So what actions do you want? The municipality right now to take as you are here?
Sorry, say again?
So what actions would you like the municipality to take as you are here today?
To not do the increase 100 or 200%. That's ridiculous.
Okay, my last.
Can't afford it.
You can't afford it.
Yeah.
Okay, my last question to you: are you going to vote next year in the upcoming elections?
Yes, I will.
You are going to vote.
Yeah.
You are still confident in the government?
No.
I believe all the businesses is suffering the same cause at this moment. With the electricity bill gone up with 100%, which is ridiculous. There is no business in Vryheid that can survive this. Nothing. You can't have work for your staff if you can't pay your staff We're actually asking them to please just bring down the bills. We can't even afford this month for 42,000 and something, nearly 43,000 rand that they expect us to pay by next month. We won't be able to do that. So we're asking them to please just bring down the electricity bills and stop increasing the bills from the houses and the businesses. Thank you very much.